Alright, so right here we got a 52-inch white Harbor Breeze Sailor base ceiling fan that I got Habitat for $15, basically brand new in box. It did have the box was pretty mangled, and it had some parts, and it was basically unwrapped. Basically, everything was unwrapped, and they did not come with any light bulbs. It did not come with a few motor screws, so I had to supply those myself. And it's overall a decent fan for what it is. I'm keeping this as a replacement stock for somebody in my family that needs a ceiling fan in the future. This may go to them. So this has 3 lights, 5 reversible blades, and yeah, there's the box for it. Way over there, as you can see. Starting off with the light, I only have 1 bulb in it. See, I only have 1 bulb in it. As you can see, you can't see it real well because it's cooler compared to the warmer colored lights. Now we're going to start off with low. Oops. There we go. Don't really feel I barely feel any air on low speed. So now we're going to go on medium. I'm going to do the other side of the blades when I get a chance to, but it ain't going to be tonight because I simply don't feel like it. Has a solid medium speed to it for what it is. It blows quite a bit of air for what it is. This fan's from May of 2023, by the way. And I forgot to tell you that, by the way. Blows a really good amount of air for what it is. Hope you enjoy. Comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content to come.